Yo.
Well, reason for the call today, John, is something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you.
Do you want to know what it is?
What are you trying to tell me?
That's pretty good.
You just tell me where to sign, bud.
There can be no false steps now. The higher up the mountain, the more treacherous the path.
I don't know how to start.
Before making any decision in your life, no matter how small, call your wife first.
That he cannot do.
Good! Pick up the phone and start dialing!
Never take the initiative, never strike out on your own, and never deviate from the plan. Why?
All right, happy wife, happy life.
Listen, I appreciate this whole seduction scene you've got going, but let me give you a tip. I'm a sure thing.
In order for this all to work, you need to completely let me in.
Pretty please.
That's really clever. Wow.
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 Pretty legendary, if you ask me. I love it.
Just do it.
I need to tell you something. But there's literally zero chance that my wife would think that was true.
This just like all has to stop.
Happy wife, happy life.
You want to push the button? No. No, seriously. No. No. Seriously,
Not
yeah?
yet. No.
You sure?
Yes.
Yeah?
Don't you do it! Don't!
Does this open this window?
I want to punch you right in your dumb.
I don't know how I could be so stupid.
Stop that now, come on.
I didn't do it!
Just tell me the truth.
Anybody care about what I want?
What does your heart tell you?
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Does he look like a bitch?
Are you stupid or something?
Stupid is, stupid does. You don't know that I'm going to even do it. You don't know. I may do it. I may not do it. I mean, nobody knows what I'm going to do. And Marissa...
Don't do it.
Do it.
Do it. Do it.
Do it! Do it!
Stop right there. I'm in.
It's showtime.
I'll take it.
You're joking. Not another one? Oh, for God's sake.
Another one. Another one.
I think I just peed a little.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oops! I did it again, baby.
Bollocks.
Nah, I didn't do it. Or did I? Nah, I didn't. Or maybe I did. Not do it. Did you? I didn't do it, or I did. Who knows? I don't.
I did it for me. I liked it.
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
No. Wait. Wait.
I need a drink.
Do I need to be liked? Absolutely not. I like to be liked. I enjoy being liked. I have to be liked. But it's not like this.
No! Stop it! No means no!
10 hours later.
I need your help. I can't tell you what it is. You can never ask me about it later. I had nothing to do with the disappearance of my wife. I have nothing to hide.